We all want to be liked, loved, accepted, and that is a fact mga palangga. But what if darating sa point na hindi mo namamalayan na you became a people pleaser? So palangga, welcome back to our channel. I'm Banuelos, and if you're new here, please do consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be notified sa ating mga videos. So in this video, we'll be talking about something serious, and this is somewhat really relatable. We'll be talking about reasons why we should stop pleasing others. So right now, tell me if you're guilty, if you're a kind of person na di nagsasabi ng no whenever someone asks you to do something, or when someone asks you to have this one, to do this one, all you ever say is yes, sige po, yes, okay, I will do that. At the end of the day, it actually boils down to the fact that it is not a good attitude. I'm not saying na ikasumunod whatever may pinapa-favor sa'yo, may pinapagawa sa'yo, but I am saying here that if it's too much, it's not good. When it's affecting you mentally, physically, it's not good. I met a lot of people that are really exhausted about life. Sobrang kayod ng kayod and sobrang hirap na, pagod na, emotionally drained na, physically tired, but they still keep on saying yes. They still keep on saying, I will do that. Not a good thing to do if it become really abusive sa part mo. First thing that we have to know is that when you try to please people every time, most of your life or most of your time, you are destroying your health. It's so easy to forget about yourself and your needs when you're focused on pleasing others. Yung pagiging yes man mo, yung pagiging yes woman mo, yes ka lang ng yes, that can actually lead to anxiety and lead to depression and lead to a lot of complications sa sarili mo, physically or even mentally. Darating sa point, I experienced this one na I would say to myself na may wala na lang po ni yes. What if sinabi kong no? What if sinabi kong may gagawin akong iba? So when you try to please others, you are actually self-destructing. You are destructing yourself by pleasing others, by making others feel good about you. Another thing to note is that when you try to please people, actually destroying your character and making yourself less attractive. Bakit? When you please others, you are actually giving up on who you are so that you can be able to cater, so that you can be able to please, so that you can be able to entertain others. Kahit deep inside sa sarili mo, you're not happy about it and nagawa mo lang siya just because you have this goal of entertaining and feeding and satisfying their kagustuhan or favor, and you become less attractive because people will discover just pretending, you are just faking it, you're not happy about it, and that would make you feel less attractive and they would actually hate it about you. The fact is that when you are being true to yourself, people will hate about you. When you are faking it, people will also hate about it. So the bottom line is that do what you love, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo as long as you're not hurting others. Do not ever accommodate someone else's beliefs or someone else's perception about you. Let others mind what they would like to think about you. Another thing is that when you try to please other people, is you become bitter sa sarili mo because time will come that you will really regret what you did. Being a people pleaser is actually really hard to sustain. It's really hard when you are not true to yourself. You become bitter because may mga bagay na supposed to be nag-no ka, pero because you want to please people, sinabi mong yes. That would in turn steer a lot of bitterness within you and naging galit ka sa sarili mo, you don't like yourself to the point na pinupush mo na lang yung sarili mo even if you're not happy about it. Another thing is that when you try to please others, people will take advantage on you. They would actually try to think that you are a free commodity, you're always there, you're always a yes man person, a yes woman person. And when a certain people or a certain person is really good, always at the other side of the corner, there will always be somebody who will take advantage of that person. And the last thing na nangyayari when you try to please other people is that you will feel unloved and abandoned. At the end of the day, you will try to reflect at night and you will ask yourself, am I happy doing the things just like this one? Am I happy with the actions that I do in the past? Or masaya ba ako sa ginagawa ko? Am I happy with the things that I do para ma-please sila? Happy ba ako na i-please sila? When you are so focused on serving others and being there all of the time sa kanilang side when they need help, you might struggle to find support when you are the one needing it. So to sum everything, always remember mga palangga that you can pour from an empty cup. So take care of yourself first. It's a fact that we wanted to make our life better. First thing that we have to do every day is we have to take care of ourselves first and let others be the second priority. Alright, so that will be all, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet sa akong channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell for you to be notified sa ating mga susunod na mga videos. Before tayo mag-end, I would like to give a shout out to these people. Ayan, thank you so much. And for you to be included sa ating next na shout outs, kindly comment below. Alright, so that will be all. I'll see you again next time.